We'll guide you through how to use Vercel Blob Storage to manage your files more efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your existing project dashboard or create a new project if you haven't already. Then, head over to the Integrations tab on the left-hand menu and search for Vercel Blob Storage in the Integrations Marketplace. Click on it and follow the prompts to install it to your project. After the integration is set up, you can access the Blob Storage API by navigating to the Settings tab and selecting Environment Variables. Here, you'll find the credentials and API keys you need to start using Blob Storage in your project. Make sure to copy and securely store these credentials, as you'll need them to authenticate your requests. Now, let's talk about uploading files. You can use the Vercel Blob Storage API to upload files directly from your app or website. In your code, initialize a new instance of the Blob Storage client using the credentials you saved earlier. Then, use the upload method to send files to the storage. Pass in the file data, specify the desired file path, and set any additional options like metadata. This method will return a URL that you can use to access the uploaded file. For retrieving or downloading files, you can use the getURL method on your storage client. Simply provide the file path, and you'll get a direct URL to access the file. Remember, Blob Storage also offers features like file versioning and access controls. So explore those options to enhance your file management. And there you have it, a straightforward way to leverage Vercel Blob Storage for your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.